Hello students, today we are going to start standard 6th subject maths chapter number 11 ratio proportion. Practice set 28 part 1 video. Question number 1, in which example below find the ratio of the first number to the second? So 24 and 56. How you will find the ratio? So you have to write first the ratio of 24 to 56. So 24 ratio 56 to 24 upon 56. Now you have to check that 24 and 56 should come in one table. So in 8 table it is going. So 8 3s are 24 and 8 7s are 56. So here we will write 3 upon 7 and therefore the ratio is 3 ratio 7. Same way, second question you have to see 63 49. So the ratio of 63 to 49, 63 ratio 49 equal to 63 upon 49. So you have to check again in one table should go 63 and 49. So in 7 table 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49. So 9 upon 7. So your ratio is 9 ratio 7. Same way as you can see the third sum you have to solve 52 65. The ratio of 52 to 65 and 52 ratio 65 into 52 upon 65. So it should go in one table. So 13 4s are and 13 5s are. So 4 upon 5 or 4 is to 5 is the ratio. 4 by 5 is the ratio. So same way you will solve fourth one. So fourth answer is 4 ratio 5. As you can see the fifth question answer is 7 ratio 13. So it is going in 5 table, 5 7s and 5 13s. So as you can see sixth sum 121 and 99. So the ratio of 121 to 99 will be should go in one table. So 11 11s are 121 and 11 9s are 99. So 11 upon 9. So the ratio you can say 11 by 9. Now let's see question number 2. Find the ratio of the first quantity to the second. So here 25 beads and 40 beads. So beads are same. So you can directly write the ratio of 25 beads to 40 beads. 25 ratio 40 equal to 25 upon 40. Now 25 and 40 should go in one table. So here we have written 5. 5 5s are and 5 8s are. So 5 upon 8. Your answer will be 5 ratio 8. Now see the second. 40 rupees, 120 rupees. Now again both rupees is there. So you can write the ratio of 40 rupees to 125 rupees. 40 ratio 120. 40 upon 120. So students you can say this you can short this sum by cancelling the 0. So 1 0 cancel from there and here. So that means 4 upon 12 remains. So as you know students in 4 table 4 1s are and in 12 table 4 3s are. So 1 upon 3 or 1 ratio 3 you can say. The third question 15 minutes 1 hour. So your minute and hour is different. So first of all you will convert minute into hours. Let's see here, or hours into minute. You have to choose. So here convert hour into minute. So as you know that 1 hour equal to 60 minute. So this 1 hour has become a 60 minutes. And this also minute, now this also minute. So now you can write here the ratio of 15 minutes to 60 minute. So 15 ratio 60, 15 upon 60, 15 1s are and 15 4s are 60. So 1 upon 4. So answer is 1 ratio 4. Now as you can see the fourth question 30 liter, 24 liter. Now liter same. So you don't have to do conversion. So directly you can write 30 ratio 24, 30 upon 24. 6 5s are 30 and 6 4s are 24. So 5 upon 4 and 5 ratio 4. Now question number 5. 99 kg 44,000 gram. So your gram and kg is there. So first of all, what we will do? We will convert the following. So convert gram into kg. So as you know students, 1 gram into 100,000 kg. So let's see, 44,000 gram into 44,000 upon 100 into 44, because as you can see student, this 3 0 is cancelling with this 3 zeros. So that's why answer is 44 kg. So the ratio of, so now this 44 gram we have converted into kg. So 44 kg. So now kg it becomes, so you can write the ratio of 99 kg to 44 kg. So 99 divided by 44 it into 99 upon 44. So in one table it should go. So 11 9s are and 11 4s are. So 9 upon 4. As you can see, 9 ratio 4. Now see the sixth question. 1 liter 250 ml. Now liter and ml both are different. So first of all, again we will convert liter into ml. So as you know, 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So in this way you can say that this liter we have converted into ml. So 1000 ml. Now ml it becomes, now you can take out the ratio. So 4 ratio 1 is the answer. As you can see the seventh question, 60 paisa 1 rupees. Again you have to convert this. So convert rupees into paisa. So as you know, 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So 1 rupee अभी कितना हो गया पैसे में? 100 पैसा. So now 60 ratio 100. In this way we will take out. So your answer will be 3 ratio 5. Or you can directly do in this way students. Or you want to cancel, you can cancel. And in second or third sum only I have taught you. So 60 upon 100 is there na. So you can cancel 1 0 from here and 1 0 from here. So that means 6 upon 10 remains. So 6 so you can write should go in one table. So 3 we are using the table 2. We are using the table 2, 2 3s are and 2 5s are. So that means 3 upon 5 is your answer. Same answer it is coming over here, 3 ratio 5. So आप cancel भी करते हो तभी आंसर वही आने वाला है, और directly you can do, the answer will be the same only. So 750 grams half kg. Convert kg into gram. So 1 gram equal to 1000 kg. So half kg कितना हो जाएगा? 500 grams. So that means half kg का कितना लिखेंगे हम? 500 grams. So that means grams it becomes. So you can take out the ratio. So your ratio is, see here I have cancelled the zeros. So your answer is 3 ratio 2. Now let's see last question 9. 125 centimeter 1 meter. Sorry, centimeter and 1 meter, right? So you have to convert the following. Convert meter into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So you will write here 1 meter कितना हो जाएगा अभी? 100 centimeter. So सिर्फ centimeter it is there. So 125 ratio 100. So 125 upon 100. 25 5s are, 25 4s are. 5 upon 4. So your ratio will be 5 ratio 4. So in this way you have to solve the sums. Question number next I will show you in part 2 video. Thank you students.